This is how to use iMessage, this app right here, on your iPhone so you can text with people and you have the blue text bubble. That means iMessage is activated. So to set this up, we go into settings. The very top of the main settings page, I'm signed into my Apple account, which shows right here. If you're not signed into your own Apple account, you have to sign into it or create an Apple account and then sign into it. They're free to create. The steps are pretty simple. There'll be a link here to create one and you just follow the steps. It'll ask for a credit card number, which is not required. You can skip that, and then you'll have a free Apple ID or a free Apple account. When you have that, scroll all the way down the same settings page and then tap on Apps. And then tap on the M on the right side or scroll down to Messages, then tap on Messages. Here, if you're first doing this, first setting up, you might be asked to sign in. So you just enter your password and username for your Apple account, and then once you've done that, the interface will change to this. And here we have the option to turn iMessage on or off. Make sure that's turned on. And then I have send and receive as 3 different addresses. You might just have one, but I have a phone number and 2 email addresses that I can receive iMessages to and reply from, and I can start new conversations from. I just have my phone number selected, but there's 2 other options as well. So you might only have 1 there, you might have 2. This depends. I don't know why I have 3, but I do. But you just need 1. You just need 1 to make this work. So once you have those things set up, you should be able to go into this app and start typing in messages. And then when you send them, there'll be a blue arrow here. That means that you have iMessage connected. If it's a green arrow, that means it's a text message. The big benefit of using iMessage is this will work over a Wi-Fi connection. You don't need to have a cell phone data plan to send text messages through iMessage. If this was a green bubble, you need an iPhone data plan or at least a text message plan to send to your recipient. So if you have an old Apple device that you want to give to your kids so they can contact you, as long as they can find Wi-Fi, they can use iMessage, which is super handy. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to clear the trash bin on your iPhone. It's super important that you do it. You probably haven't done it before, so make sure you check out that video and get that done. I'll see you there.